Huh? Uh-oh.
You can't fool anyone.
I'm seeing doubles.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. She's a fake. Pick me! I'm the real deal. No, me! You wouldn't dare.
That's enough! You look killer.
You're not so bad yourself.
Mwah!
Aww, come here. Mwah. That was intense.
Aww, he's my man. Whoa! Ugh, he can't stop looking at her. Better sit down for the show. Hey.
She's gonna show you,
How it's done.
milady.
I can't believe this is really happening to me. He went to her, just like that.
If she takes my boyfriend, I'll take her identity. Fly, little ones. Surprise, surprise. Ah! What are those? You can't get away with this. Watch me. You're under my control. I am.
Huh? Where did she go? Have you seen her?
She went that way. Let's go! We're coming, Mira! But Mira's coming with me. Time to… Ouch! Watch where you're going!
Huh?
Is that… what?
Give my friend back.
Or else, you'll do nothing. You'll forget everything you saw in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello. Let's be besties.
Fine, but only if you help me look like this doll.
You got it. Makeover time.
Whoa!
Welcome to my room.
It's spacious.
Wow, you have lovely hair. Hey, relax. You know I need to dye your hair, right? Trust me. Sit back and enjoy the transformation. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
I hope so.
This will be fun! Freestyle hair coloring is the best. Not a single blonde hair strand will be left. And done!
Wow, good job!
Aw, thanks! Next, styling. With this.
How's that gonna work?
Let me show you. It's like the best hair hack ever! You're welcome.
Genius!
Freeze!
Huh? What are you doing?
Oh, come on, girl. It's only a braiding tool. It won't hurt. See? This is so satisfying to watch. Hunter braids? Check. So, what do you think?
I think you're nailing this!
Yay! What are besties for? Oh, someone's at the door. Hello?
Happy birthday!
Aw, come in, you guys.
Oops.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Sorry.
We'll do this another time. Are you okay?
What do you think?
Let's wipe that off.
I'd punish her if she did it on purpose.
Then good thing she didn't. And hey, this is an opportunity to do your makeup. Heels, nails, blade, mascara. These shades are in your color season. Wow, you look gorgeous.
Thanks, and I feel gorgeous. Oh, whoa, feels so smooth.
Told ya.
I'll listen to whatever you say.
Then we can continue with #fashion. Nothing catches my eye so far.
Transformation selfie!
Was that? Are you all right? Oof, that must have hurt.
Ah!
Oh, perfect.
Yum.
Yep.
Bon appetit!
Oh, must be the delivery. I'll get the door. Thank you. Our clothing orders arrived.
Wow, so fast! I'll try them on.
Hope they fit.
So,
Nah.
how about this?
Wow. Or never mind.
I feel so strong.
What? No way!
This is it.
Agreed.
Close, check. Phew, great work, team.
Yeah.
A quick double check. Whoa, my skirt doesn't match.
Give me 1 second to fix that. Let's see. There must be an orange skirt somewhere here.
Let's hope so.
Aha! This will do the trick.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, you're right. But wait! We can turn it into a skirt! Using my tools for a good cause.
Awesome! You're really crafty. And it's just my size. Wow! I want one too! So pretty.
Yeah, you need one to be a hunter.
Huh? Do you knit?
No. Oh, but I craft. Looks like your wish is granted.
Wow! How did you…
Call it talent.
I know what it means.
Good thinking. I'll quickly attach it, and done. Your hunter charm is ready.
Yay! The dress is complete!
We're nailing this, girl.
All thanks to you. Ouch!
Sorry, my bad. Wait a second. You don't have the right shoes. Let's take care of that. Come on, step inside the first box.
I don't know what to expect. Wow! Cool magic trick! Oh, so cute and comfy. Can I keep them on?
Unfortunately, no.
Wow! Princess heels! So chic and fancy. Whoa! But I can't walk in these? What do you think? Please agree?
You look so uncomfortable.
Glad we are on the same page. Wow! I think this is it. I feel so confident and strong in these.
Yes, slay. You look gorgeous.
Oh, I'm so happy.
If there's food, I will never not eat it. Freshly popped. Haha.
I want some. Buttery. What? Oh, I have no jewelry.
You called me? I got what you need.
Wow, so many.
Not so fast. See those targets? You need to prove your hunter skills first.
Ah.
That's so easy. Here, take these.
Yeah, speak for yourself.
You got this.
Come on, please. Ha! Did you see that? Yeah!
Bravo. Here's the second one.
I can do this. Yeah! Will it hit? Ha! It did! I'm the best.
Good job.
Oh, the last one. The moment of truth. I can't fail. And I didn't. Yeah!
Here's your reward as promised. My work is done.
Bye!
Come on, let's check them out.
So edgy. Can't do without a necklace. More is more.
Perfect. Well, there's one last thing to do. Hope you're ready for this. Sing! We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Come on, your part is coming. You know, together, we're glowing.
Gonna be golden. That was so fun!
Smiley! One more. And post it for our fans.
So many likes!
Fans never disappoint.
I owe you for this. I got you a thank you gift!
Aww. What is… Whoa. Great gift.
Oh. Not the real action begins. Time to get out of here. Bye! I'm here, and I'm looking better than ever. Hey, handsome. Mwah.
Hey, gorgeous.
Oh, what? Where? Mira?
Finally, I'm back. That little.
I know where she went. You!
Uh-oh.
You can't fool anyone.
I'm seeing doubles.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. She's a fake. Pick me! I'm the real deal. No, me! You wouldn't dare.
That's enough! This will reveal the truth.
Gotta check what the scanner says.
Is this really necessary?
0%! No way you're going in! Impostor!
Does she need saving? I strongly think so.
Whoa, my head. Huh? It's you!
Yep, but don't get too excited. We have lots to do. Your turn, Z. So here's the plan. We're gonna make you our roomie. We will start with your face, teeth, pimples, cheeks.
Oh.
Phew, that's a lot of work, really. And then…
Aha.
Ta-da! So, let's begin. I trust your plan, girl.
Should I be afraid?
Yeah. Take this. Got it. Trust me, this is my favorite flavor. Look, it worked! Whoa. Okay, girl. Moving on.
So, what's next?
Well, teeth checked. Next, pimples. Ugh, the worst.
I'm ready.
I'm not. I know just what you need. How is this going to help?
Wow, this is magic.
Let's get rid of that. Much better.
Wow.
Ha! I have an idea. Glitter is always a good choice.
How do I look?
Not as I expected. Oopsie.
Hey! I didn't sign up for this.
But… oh no. It's no biggie.
Wait.
Don't worry.
Phew.
Never again. Okay, I got the right one here. Here comes the makeup dust.
This is the most glamorous version of me, like, ever.
We did it! A golden transformation! But we're not even close to being done yet.
Whoa.
To the salon! Let me take a closer look at your hair. So dry. And definitely the wrong color. How about…
No!
this looks wrong. Maybe.
So 80s.
Nope.
Cruella would be jealous.
Nuh-uh.
Wow.
Purple is your color. I call this shade the Soda Pop Purple. Mwah! Hair check. We're getting there. Yay!
Huh?
The tail must go.
But how?
Oh, here's the answer to that problem.
I can't.
It might slightly hurt. Didn't think we would need this much. Are you ready?
Nope. Ouch!
Phew. This is gonna take a while. We did what we had to. Now you walk.
Whoa, this feels weird. Hey, don't look!
Don't worry. Now it's time for a fit check for your napalm era.
Wow.
Let's get you into some chic clothes.
I look like Sherlock Holmes. Yikes.
No, this is not her color. No pee. Maybe this?
Wow.
Perfect. I kept the best for last.
I feel like I can take over the entire monster world in this fit.
Yeah, girl. That's the spirit. And with that, we've completed everything. Let's do this. Not so fast. You still need to learn the choreography.
Slower, please. I can't keep up. Ouch. Wait, to the left or right?
Just copy our moves. It's easy. Stop! You're ruining the whole routine. Wait, Maybe we should try a new teaching approach. Come on.
Well, this looks fun, to be honest. I will try my best.
You got this!
Left foot back, right foot back. Now I add the hands.
Go, go, go!
I think I'm finally getting it! Yay! I win!
Bravo! I knew you had it in you.
Wow! What's that? Is this really for me?
You're one of us now.
I'm a Huntrix. Let's hunt some monsters!
Hold on.
What now?
Your training is not over. Catch! Time to test your sword skills.
All those years of playing Fruit Ninja weren't for nothing. Phew!
Impressive. Truly. She's ready. We officially welcome you to the team.
Thank you!
You're done hiding. Now you're shining.
Like I'm born to be! Haha! The party awaits! Ahem.
Am I supposed to know who you are? I gotta check. No wannabe Huntrix allowed.
Huh? What do you mean? But why?
Sing your heart out. We've got your back. Always.
Let's do this.
Shut up and play.
Huh? Okay. Whoa, I like the sound of that.
You came at a bad time. But you just crossed the line. You want to get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear that sound ringing in your mind?
Yeah! Yeah!
Better sit down for the show. 'Cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done.
Huntrix, don't miss.
How it's done, done, done.
And the big applause.
Phew, we were incredible.
Yeah!
Okay, you can go in.
Yes, finally.
Let's party!
Wow, I'm so ready to have some fun after all that.